Welcome to the first Sunday Sew. This is where I'm going to show you threads and how they're... this is where I'm going to show you threads that I've found during the week and how much I like them. Oh God. This is where I'm going to share with you the 7 best threads, the magnificent 7 threads that I have picked out this week that I've found both informative, entertaining, and thought I'd share them with you. So what I want to share with you is the magnificent 7 threads that I've found this week that are educational and entertaining, and I want you to observe as we go through not just what the content is, but how they're written, so you can improve your thread writing. So let's start off with Kieran, somebody I've only met this week, and he's got I like it as a very simple threads. Success starts your morning routine. Here's 8 great habits to nail down before 8 o'clock. And it's very, very simple. It's nicely written, easy to read, and you go through, and if you'll notice, this is a good thing to notice, a summary at the end. Too long, didn't read. The 8 steps, something I learnt in the mastermind group, and looks like Kieran's there too. So well done, Kieran, great thread. Next up is Judith Gosh, 7 ways to crush your 7 days of the week. It's again nicely written and easy to follow, and very, very straightforward. Common sense tips, I like it. Next up is Lell, showing you how it's possible to grow your Twitter in just investing 1 hour a day, and I think that's a great graphic. Sana, again, I'm bringing him back this week because he's got, good, very commonsensical approach to cracking the code of creating tons of content every week. Read through that, and don't think you'll be disappointed. Babylon Ninja, I like this one because it's because of the wonderful graphics and the messages contained in there. Great fun thread. Zaid is somebody who's really come to my attention. He writes some really, really good stuff, and on this particular one is about a single post that made him $855.10 writing on Medium. Carl is somebody, again, I've only recently become acquainted with, and this is a thread of threads for copywriters. It's quite a piece of work and fits in well with the Sunday Sew. Hopefully you've got time to lay back and read that one at your leisure. Okay, last of all is a latecomer. The latecomer here is conscious deaf. And it's something that I felt as I read it, I could have been reading myself. A few lessons that he's learned in a few months, and if you take these lessons on board, you'll save yourself an awful lot of time. Great job on that one. Okay, that's the Sunday Sew inaugural episode 1. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, and share, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see next week. Ed Kirwan saying bye for now.